I'm going to be reacting to this. Baby No Money, Diamonds Are Forever. He just put this out, whatever, like 6-7 hours ago, according to this. So let's play it. This video is like crazy. Black and white, but it's also like stop motion. I like it, but I like how crazy it is. But this doesn't sound like anything of his. Like usually his stuff is sarcastic, straight rapping, I guess. This is like an evolution, you know, like a final boss or something. I don't know what's going on here. These diamonds are forever. Jeez. I just feel like he's gonna bust out, like he's just gonna start going ape shit or something, but he's not. My favorite part is like it's about diamonds and it just like shows his coat, but obviously that's like costume bedazzled. Definitely a crazy video though. Isn't most of his videos like silly too, like where they're just following him around or he's standing in a street? I haven't really watched that much of his stuff. Short-lived. Yeah, I actually enjoyed it. I mean, it compared to his normal stuff, it's like it's not that sarcastic, goofy, made for TikTok, I would say, rap. It's more, like I said, it sounds more like evolving. You know what I mean? Like, so if he came out with more stuff like this, I think he would catch another genre, and people would probably really enjoy that. I mean, I enjoyed it. I might actually add this to my Spotify playlist and play it, you know, in the middle of the night when I'm working, doing stuff. So I'd say this is a success.